Hi everyone, it's fall here in the garden and it's about time to start thinking about planting our springtime bulbs, just like these tulips here, which I'm so excited about. In this video, we're going to be going over when to plant bulbs, how to plant them, and a couple of tips to help you along the way. So let's get right to it. The best time to plant your bulbs is in the fall when the weather starts cooling down. A good general rule of thumb is to wait until your nighttime temperatures drop to about 40 degrees Fahrenheit overnight. But it's always better to wait a little bit later than sooner, as planting them too early can cause you a lot of problems. So wait until it cools down before you start planting. So when you grab your shovel, it is important to know how deep you want to plant your bulbs. A good general rule of thumb is to plant your bulbs 3 times the height of the bulb. After you're done digging the hole, take some compost and mix it in with the native soil. Not only is this going to help deliver great nutrients to your bulb, but it's also going to help improve drainage around your bulb, because bulbs like to have good drainage, otherwise they'll rot. If you have a heavy clay soil, it may be a good idea to dig a larger hole to mix in the compost so you can allow for better drainage completely around your bulb. Next, consider putting a little bit of bone meal at the bottom of the hole. This is going to help provide nutrients over a long period of time, which is high in phosphorus, which is going to help your bulb give you continual blooms throughout each and every year. Next, we want to place the bulb in the hole. It is important, though, that we plant the pointy side facing up. After placing the bulb in the hole, go ahead and fill it up with the soil, and as an extra bonus, go ahead and top it off with a little bit of mulch. Now, all we got to do is wait for springtime to come, and our bulbs will be growing and giving us beautiful blooms. I love putting springtime bulbs in my rose gardens because my roses are still dormant, and all these bulbs that are coming up are promising that the growing season is just right around the corner. And as an extra bonus, they add color to my otherwise colorless garden. I can't wait to show you what all the gardens are going to look like once the bulbs start coming up and blooming. So make sure that you hit subscribe and follow along. Have fun gardening.